Hi, this is going to help you out with question actually number 5. I'm not going to do a video for number 4 because it's basically using your idea of unit rate and the meaning behind it, and you should be okay with that one. Anyways, with number 5, I'm going to go ahead and start with an example that looks very similar to that one. So it's the same idea with both problems. You're kind of finding the unit rate for each of the either whatever it's talking about. I guess for your problem, it's talking about packs. Now, in this problem, they're talking about tickets, and they both talk about money, but except that I'm talking now. This problem is talking about tickets, but you're just talking about packs. Anyways, both problems will tell you to calculate the unit rate for each of the pairs, and are the unit rates the same. So to do that for your problem, you just have to basically identify each pair individually. So the first one is this pair. And by the way, these are X and Y values. So I will do that for the middle too. I'm going to use purple. And like I said, these are X and Y values. The X is on this side and the Y is on that side. And then lastly, you have a third pair, and that pair is in the very bottom. And that's also an X and Y value. Now, I told you in class that typically money goes in top, and luckily the money's over here. But most importantly, that Y is always going to be on top and X is on the bottom. It's just the way that things are because that's how graphs are plotted. You have your Y on top and you have your X on the bottom. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on. So for the blue one, the blue pair, we have Y over X. So the numbers that I had to compare to or divide out is 2450 divided by 2. For the red one, the numbers are actually, I didn't notice those on the bottom. It's 98.00. I didn't have to go in this order, by the way. I just did red and I just went with it. And then the middle one, it's y over x, the same thing. Y is 61.25 over 5. And from here, I just basically find the unit rate. So I want to find out how much I'm paying for one ticket over here. And if I go ahead and find out how much you're paying for one ticket. So for one ticket for the purple one, when you buy 5 tickets, you paid 12.25 for one ticket. And you pay that for all 5, well, for each 5 individual. So this is ticket, this was money. Same thing for the red one. You want to kind of repeat the same process that we have always been doing. The top was money, the bottom was ticket. So 98 divided by 8. You want to find out how much each ticket costed in that bundle. And you find out that you only paid $12.25 for one ticket. So right now it seems like it was a fair transaction between the middle one and the bottom one. Now we're gonna find out if it was fair throughout the whole process of buying 2 and 5 and 8 tickets. So let's go ahead and put a 1 in the bottom. Remember, this is money, this is tickets, and we're gonna divide that number by 2. And you find out that it was also 12.25. So it turns out that when you buy 2 tickets, 5 tickets, 8 tickets, it was all fair. So they're all the same, and the unit rate was just 12.25 for one ticket. It's very similar to your problem. You're trying to find out if you have a fair transaction for your problem, and your problem is just talking about believe the candy packs. So you're trying to find out if you buy 6 of them, 12 of them, or 18 of them, was it a fair deal for all that? So was it fair when you bought 6, 12, and 18? Anyways, that concludes the video for this one. Bye.